My mom thinks it's a bad purchase. She don't like it at all, but you feel me? We still got it. And 3, 2, 1. Show that motherfucker. Nah! Cyber.
Cybertruck?
Yeah!
Yo!
My
Nah!
Law, you know, hold on. Over the car.
That's how you pulling up?
Huh?
In the Cybertruck?
Yes. Oh, why did tap in the L?
How the f you open this? You gotta push that.
Hold on.
Push it.
Come over here, Michael.
Oh, this shit open.
Quick. Listen. Hey, listen. My mom is doing the same thing y'all did, bro. And some of the niggas in chat spam an L, but yeah, it's a good purchase. The car is safe as possible. It's good. Like, I got my own. You feel me? Hold on.
Oh, God, you stunting. Yo!
How you doing? You feel me, like, bro? They like.
Remember we was running the Impala?
Yeah, in the Impala.
The 08?
The 08.